fish on. Woo! Some bigger, better bass on this side of the lake. See what I mean by pushing the... All right, so we're out here in Elk Flat Campgrounds. We're gonna be fishing Comins Lake this weekend. And it's a pretty interesting lake. It's created at the bottom of the Great Basin out here. So there's a lot of streams that run into it, and there's a lot of minerals in it. So you don't really want to eat the fish out of there because there's some mining activity. There's some mercury that ends up in the water. But hopefully there should be some big bass. They did try to kill all the pike in there a few years ago. That was unsuccessful, so it killed a lot of the fish. So I'm hoping that they've grown over the last few years and that the fishing pressure has been pretty low. So let's check it out. All right, we got something pretty cool here. We ended up catching a rainbow trout on the bass line. Pretty big too. Some nice sized fish. Sorry. Woo! This is a good one. Look at that. That's a nice fish. my wife just got her first fish in the boat, and I'm already hooked back on. We're slaying them. But for whatever reason, I can't seem to catch a bass. I believe this is another trout. Yeah. Here. You got a good picture of that trout?
I think so, yeah.
Tired out. And let me take this hook back.
Did he go?
He's on his way. Yeah. Wow. For some reason, I'm getting into these big trout.
It's awesome.
All right, fourth bass. This is the spot for bass. Ooh.
Hey guys, we just got back from fishing and we're at camp now. We're making dinner now. I'm cooking sausage and bell peppers, which are cooking first. And then I'm gonna add some onion in there. We're gonna have a good stir fry before we chill out by the fire and watch the sun go down.